just woke up. It's almost 6 o'clock on Thursday morning, and I thought I would do a get ready with me. I haven't done that in a while, so let's get ready. Freya, you hungry? Ooh, what's in my cabinet drawer? Bread and ramen. That and some cat food. Well, come on. Let's get you some water in here too. Oh, I need some coffee. I don't know about you guys. Who loves your cat more than your coffee? You're my baby. Thank you for licking my face until I woke up. Because you're hungry and not because you love me. Let's make some coffee and then maybe put something on my face. Fridge tour. See my cereal? I got cereal. And I have a magnet and a Chinese takeout menu. You ready? Are you ready for this? That's ice. I'm not sure how that's gonna turn out. A swallow of milk, a swallow of water, some noodles I cooked last week, some other stuff, and some cheese, a bunch of face masks. The ones I keep all the time. I make my oatmeal one, my oatmeal lavender charcoal one. I hope it's a sheet masks. I haven't tried that. These that I haven't tried all of yet. Oh, there's stuff in the door. I've got minced garlic and jalapenos, some biscuits, and some pasta sauce and ketchup. Some flour. I don't know why I got this. I'm not sure what to use flour for. Frying chicken? I need some chicken. Mug root beer, apple cider vinegar. Kitty cat. I heard my coffee pot go off. That's one of my favorite sounds. Oh, I'm out of creamer. You want to go outside? Let's go sit out on the balcony for a little while. Now, you may be asking, why the hell is she up at this ungodly hour? And I'll answer the question. I have no idea. My cat licked me until I woke up. Well, Freya, you want to go outside? Freya. Come on. Let's do this. That way you can just walk down the stairs instead of jump off the balcony. There she goes. Bye-bye. I'll keep the door unlocked for you. That probably sounded crazy. This is what I mean by keeping the door unlocked for my cat. Chain on. Door open. Still locked. A couple of days ago, I took a nap with my son, and maybe around 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I woke up at midnight. So I watched YouTube, I edited some videos, I tried to be kind of quiet, I think I made some food. Then I went back to sleep about 5. I want to say he got up, and I don't know, he played for a while, and he woke me up because he was bored, and I could not wake up. I was coughing, I didn't feel good. I think I woke up at right around 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and then I went back to sleep. I don't know, it was dark, but it wasn't late. I woke up during the middle of the night for just a couple of hours, edited a little bit, and I'm pretty sure I was back asleep around 2 or 3, so here we go, now I'm awake. I've gone from sleeping like 25 hours in a row to just like 4 hours at a time, several times a day. I don't like this. Hypersomnia, look it up, it's a thing. So my face mask is giant. Trying to decide what to do today. Shane Dawson's 5th final part of the Jeffree Star series is supposed to come out today. I was under the impression we had a 2-part finale coming out yesterday, and I really cleared my schedule for that. But no, seriously, I was under the impression I was going to get more than 30 minutes of content yesterday. I'm not complaining because I love it. I'm just complaining because I love it and I wanted more. I need more. If you haven't watched the 4th part yet, pause it right now. It will be linked below. Watch it. Watch them all. And then come back and watch this video because those videos are important and they matter. And I'm just... you know, this isn't, just watch those if you haven't. They will all be linked below, so seriously watch them. Okay, so anyway, for the people that are still here, it looks like, and this may have been for views, which is genius, even if that's all it is, but God, I hope they really do it. Okay, first of all, it's Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star. So it could absolutely, totally be bullshit. Or it's Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star, so it could absolutely happen. The creativity's there, the money's there, knowing the right people's there, knowing the right places are there. Everything's there. And maybe within the next year, Shane will have noticed that in pretty much all of my videos I mention him, and maybe he and Jeffree Star would be like, you know what, this bitch needs a banging eyeshadow and highlighter. Let's just give her some stuff because she always talks about us anyway, even when we don't give her stuff. Oh, Jeffree, I was wondering if you would do me a favor. I need you and Nate to hold Shane down for me for about, I don't know, just 2 or 3 minutes so I can smear my oatmeal mask all over his face without him dying of a texture stroke. When he realizes how good it makes his skin feel, then I think he'll let me do it without you holding him down after that. Unless he just wants you to, then by all means, bonus. I'm gonna go wash this off my face now before it gets super duper dry. I made a new scrub the other day. Oh, I've made it and it's beautiful. It smells so good. It makes my skin so soft. And it is... it's in a Tostitos jar because I wanted it to be glass because it does have coconut oil in it. I didn't have this filled up. I just needed a glass jar. This smells so good. I put a lot of coconut oil, and it took me like 3 days of melting it down and putting more oil in it, liquid oils, to keep it from getting hard. It didn't get hard in Arkansas. I guess the humidity, it gets hard in New Mexico. I'll leave. Okay, let's try that again. I melted this down and added grapeseed oil to it until it had the most beautiful texture that you've ever seen. I added vanilla flavoring, and I also added some strawberry extract. And you guys, this smells good. I haven't sold it yet, but I will. I'm going to. It is so amazing. Your skin will feel so good afterward. Also, if you make one of these masks or any clay mask, anything that's kind of a little bit hard to get off, especially if it dries your skin out at all, this, oh my goodness, it's so amazing. Watch. Kind of smells like habaneros. I promise I washed that thing. Okay, first of all, I'm touching it. But I just want you to see it doesn't just come off super easy. This is made with Himalayan salt. And I've ground it up a lot. It's not big pieces. But just look how well this works. I usually use both hands because I'm not holding a phone with one of them, which makes it easier to catch all the little pieces falling in the sink. That's okay. Alright, seriously, all I have to do is just wash this off because the scrub got the mask off. Oh, you're back in the house, huh? She loves to mask with me. Seriously, I come to the sink and she watches everything I do and she peoples for a little while. Freya just ran out the door. Let's see what she does. Freya? There she is. Freya! Play. She loves to play. Okay, here we go. What you doing? There she is. I tend to do videos of things that I'm already doing. I just try to shoot videos while I'm doing them. And Freya, I let the door open for you. That makes me nervous. Drama cat. I don't know what I was talking about. What I should do is push pause. No, I can't do that. I should stop the video and go back and look and see what I was talking about. Stop hanging off the balcony. Your tail's cute. Why don't you go out the door? I don't like it when she's up there. Yeah, I'm talking about you. What were we talking about again? I remember the thing I forgot. Then I forgot it again. Filming. So I had to use my iPhone. The iPhone that screen's coming apart that I hold together with the chip clip. This phone. Oh, that didn't fix it very much. So I need another phone with more storage. I can only do like one, maybe two videos at a time. I can't really pre-film a lot because I don't have the storage on my phone. You scared me. You made me scared. I let the door open for you and everything. Your tail's cute. What are you chasing? Where was I before that? Oh, I would film more, but I don't have a very good setup. I mean, obviously I don't have great lighting. I try to use the sunlight, although I'm kind of a day sleeper. I don't want my videos to be so bad they're annoying to people, so they don't want to watch them, but I also don't want to wait any longer. It could be years before I have a vlogging camera or a ring light or a mic. I've been sleeping for like 2 days and my brain's mushy and I can't make words. I fixed my light out here on the balcony, which is cool, except it never goes off. Ever. I still can't make words. I've not been awake long enough. How long are you guys awake before you can make words? How many people are even still watching this? It's pretty. How long have I been wearing this cat thing? So many people have walked by. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to do a makeup tutorial because, like I said, I'm not really authorized to tutorialize anything. Grammar. I could tutorialize the shit out of your grammar, but I digress. School's about to start next week, guys. Y'all ready for that? Who has kids in school? Who is in school yourself? Anybody in college? I went there once. I really have nothing important to say right now. I might film a few things I do throughout the day. Maybe I'll do a spend the day with me video. Or like 24 hours with me. We'll stay up till 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. That'd be kind of fun. We'll see how long I last. My sleep cycle is not a 24-hour sleep cycle. That's why I sleep longer than a regular 8 to 12 hours sleep. And I also stay awake longer. I have like a 36 to 48 hour day. It's been like that for about 2 years now. Okay, I'm going to turn this off for now. Get some editing done. I will be watching the video, you know what I'm talking about. The grand finale of The Secret Life of Jeffree Star. Produced by Shane Dawson. Oh, I want to introduce all your future ones. Shane, can I be your intro giver? With real words?